guys, come on, welcome to Abbas Movie. Today it's my first video, so I'm gonna show you how to make a puppet hand. First draw your hand shape very lightly on a paper. Make sure that you just make it till here, not more than over here. Now just make linings over here. When your fingers start, just pop it like this, and continue this till the from here to here till the end of your hand. After you do that, then just take some color pencils and do that on the lines. After you do that, just erase these pencil lines. After you do that, just make a light shadings of a side. Don't make it too dark. Just mark the fingers. And hand. And then, there you go. Your drawing is ready. Thank you guys. Subscribe and give a like. Thank you very much for watching this video.